Now let us see how to create Telegram chatbot. Telegram bots can respond with dynamic content like jokes, but without a database, there is no record of what was sent. This project solves the problem by storing each joke in Firebase Firestorm, and this technology is used in this is and your technologies used is Node.js server-side runtime and Node Telegram bot API, Telegram bot integration, and Firebase Firestore Cloud NoSQL database and API calls to fetch jokes automatically. Now let us see the code. Index.js. This is the full code that bot is connected to the Firebase, and we have to give a command like node space index.js to run the code, and we can get output like bot name is running, and the .env file is used to store the bot token, and key.json I will explain this later, and the package and package.json file will automatically created by the console. And now let us see how to create this. Open Telegram. In this Telegram we have to give command like start, and then we have to give joke, and the joke will automatically go and saves in the Firebase like created at month, date and year at time, and punchline is joke. This is the stored way of the Firebase, and this is all the, and we have to create a Telegram bot for folder, and that we have to store this all folders. Now let us see how this key.json file will be created. We go to the Firebase settings, project settings, go to service accounts. In this we have to click generate new primary key and rename that primary key into the key.json file, and this is the key.json file. We recently downloaded it through the Firebase Firestore database, and this here now we can see how the basic we can create this. In this default we have start collections like jokes. In these jokes we have documents. Recently stored jokes are here. This is the recently stored joke. Now let us see how the workflow. User sense. Now only I explain that in chatbot, in Telegram chatbot we type for the start command, and bot stores user data in Firestore. User sends joke, bot fetches joke from public API. Bot sends joke to Telegram chatbot. Some jokes is saved in the Firebase Firestore database. And the Firestore database structure is Firestore automatically creates collections when data is written, and the database structure used in this project is user stores Telegram user information, and jokes stores every joke sent by the bot. And now let us see how to run this code once again. Open new terminal, and here you type node space index.js. You can see here that no JJit bot is running, my bot name is running, and you have to type here, you have to type this Telegram chatbot start joke, and we can display it here. You have to create this Firebase console. Open firebase.console.login and click here new Firebase project, and these projects are all created by user this. And then you can visible here and click on Firebase database, and then you can automatically see here on the console on this panel the common errors are occurred in this is key.json file is equal to this project ID. Here in project settings we have project ID, and some errors are occurred where we need to change these rules once again in this project. These are the most commonly occurred errors in this project. This is the most common occurred errors in this project. And here advantages in it is automatic database creation, scalable cloud storage, easy tracking of user activities, useful for analytic and hackathon demos. Now let us see once again how to run this code. Terminal, new terminal. In this we have to delete all the past terminals to avoid confusions. In this we have to type mode space index.js and click enter. We can see my bot name is running, and now we have to click here start command and the joke command, and automatically the joke will be generated, and this joke will be stored here automatically. This is the joke I generated now, guys, and the joke is saved to the Firebase. This is the final output of my Telegram chatbot, and this is the conclusion. This project demonstrates a simple but powerful integration of Telegram bots with Firebase Firestorm. Thank you for listening this video.